and he and I co-founded Colossal, and we went from basically $10,000 a year that we have been surviving on for this project to now, hundreds of millions. And so what are we delivering? I mean, it's still early days, having really gotten started in high gear in 2022. We've just, contributed to new technologies for establishing stem cells from a variety of species, which, it seems like, we didn't have that much trouble making them for mouse and humans, but it turns out that it is quite difficult for a variety of other endangered species, both because hard to get access to the surgical samples from endangered species like numbats and elephants, but also there's just their biology is different, and the recipes that work for mouse and human don't work for them. So that's one contribution. I think another one is developing rapid prototyping systems where you can find the connection between genotype and phenotype, and then make combinations where you do multiplex editing. That's been one of my things since started my lab is doing not just one gene edit, which is what you typically do in, say, gene therapy, or even in most academic experiments, but doing multiple genes at once and how they interact. And I think that's another big contribution. At Colossal, we've done up to 20 in things that we've made public, and we're working on being able to multiplex edit even higher than that. And so the rapid prototyping not only involves the ability to do multiplex editing in cell lines, but the ability to establish those into whole animals via somatic cell nuclear transfer, cloning. It's like Dolly the sheep, and we've done that with a variety of species, and we hope that a number of these technologies are useful for conservation of endangered species, and most of our projects do involve endangered species, as well as ancient DNA that could help modern endangered species. So I think those, and then I think educationally, Colossal has made a big impact out of young and old people young people of all ages, excited again about conservation and molecular biology and the intersection of those two.